All right, we're starting to tear down the 55 Chevy. We've got the front clip off and getting ready to clean the suspension and pull the engine at some point in time. I wanted to keep it in the car so that I could drive it back and forth in and out of the garage. So it still runs. The fenders, fiberglass fenders, and I'm hoping I can find a good set of fenders up at Carlisle sometime, either late this year or next year. Just pulled the windshield out, and the bottom edge of the windshield, the frame looks pretty decent, not bad. No major rust holes. Just have to clean out all the old adhesive. Pulled off the trim. Got a little Bondo down there, and so we'll straighten out that door. And we've got to replace that window and the vent window on the driver's side. Pulled out the back window. Here's the trim for the front top. I got the trunk cleaned up and painted with POR 15. Relocated the battery in the back. So it doesn't look too bad back here. The normal body work. The car looks pretty straight. This panel had been patched. You could tell from the inside, but it's not bad. So I'll sand it down and see how bad, if there's any rust underneath that Bondo. Trim off over here. And we got to replace this window on the vent. Interior has been pulled out. Dash has been partially disassembled. And no major holes in the floor pans. It had been patched in the past, but it looks pretty decent. Here's a seam from a patch. It looks like the driver's side floor pan was replaced at one time. And the inside of the doors are okay. I primed them. The inside of the doors and the skins, probably wire brush them and paint them just to put a coating of something to protect them. But in general, the car is not in bad shape. The roof, gotta scrape off all the old soundproofing. Steering wheel is not bad, no cracks. So I think I'm gonna keep that in place and restore it, paint it, get it cleaned up. So it is June 21st and it's the first day of summer. So yeah, it's a good time to take a video. Okay, see you all next time.